The cabin air filter in your 2007-2014 Ford Edge plays a vital role in maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. This filter traps airborne contaminants like dust, pollen, mold spores, and exhaust fumes before they can enter the cabin through the HVAC system. By filtering out these pollutants, it improves air quality, reduces allergens, and helps maintain efficient airflow for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. According to the EPA, cabin air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air without proper filtration. However, when the filter becomes clogged, it causes several problems. Airflow from the vents is reduced, leading to musty odors and unpleasant smells. It also hinders your HVAC system's efficiency, potentially reducing AC performance by up to 15%, according to automotive experts. You should change your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions, or at least annually. Change it more frequently if you drive in dusty, polluted, or high allergen areas, such as during wildfire seasons or in urban traffic. Neglecting to change the filter can lead to poorer cabin air quality, where the air inside your car becomes significantly more polluted than outside. It can also result in costly HVAC repairs due to mold buildup or system failures and increased wear on your vehicle's components. Start by opening the glove box on the passenger side. Detach the glove box by squeezing the sides or removing any retaining screws. Some models have an access panel behind it that needs removal. Find the filter housing, a plastic rectangle typically behind the glove box. Open the housing and remove the old filter, noting its orientation. Wipe out any debris from the housing. Insert the new filter in correct orientation. Check arrows for airflow direction. Close housing. Reattach glove box or panel. Ensure secure.